Yeah, you like that slow-mo action, huh? Captain Nick here with MarineMax St. Petersburg. In this boat behind me, there's nothing slow about it. We got a Sea Ray 19 SPX spec'd out with a 150 horsepower engine. Black boat, it's fast, it's the winter time. You're gonna see it come across the bottom of the screen right now. This boat's called the Black Diamond. All talk aside, what does it actually get you? What do you gain from going with the 150 horsepower engine opposed to the 115 Pro XS that's standard on this boat? Well, your top speed is going to bump up a little bit. You're going to top out between 48 and 50 miles an hour depending on how you're trimming it. Also, you're going to be a little quicker out of the hole. So if you do plan on boating with 4, 5, 6 or more adults, this might be the better option for you. Per usual on a 19 SPX outboard, you stick the outboard back there. You gain all that storage down below. And of course you have more seating than any 19-foot boat on the market. When we spec this boat out, there's a couple reasons why it's not a base model boat. It's a little bit more of a premium package. Obviously, besides the engine back there, you notice the dune interior. Also, you've got a co-captain chair over here opposed to the bench seat. I'm in a parking lot right now, but I just can't help to kind of just close my eyes and vision myself out on the water. Steering wheel right here, got the throttle in my right hand. It's Florida, so who cares? It's January. You feel the wind in your hair. You got your family all around you. We're all having fun, and that's what it's all about. Great amount of storage both in the deck and off to the side right here. Keep everything out of the elements. Also, keep you and your family out of the elements. Gonna have this windshield. Folds down like that. If you're the type of individual that never settles for being mediocre and requires the best every single time, then we're on the right boat right here. If you have any questions about the Black Diamond or anything else in our inventory, I'm Captain Nick Pavlakis. I'm from MarineMax St. Petersburg. Come on down and let's get you out on the water. Bye, guys.